This short tutorial is designed to help you understand the infinity bonus. The infinity bonus is really the basic building block of the residual bonuses that you'll receive as a Shesai distributor. Now, when I first had the compensation plan explained to me, it gave me a brain cramp. I felt overwhelmed. Here's the thing. Just relax. As long as you recruit people and place them on your left, and recruit people and place them on your right, and keep doing that, and teach the people that you recruit to do the same thing, it all works out. All right? Well, let's delve into the infinity bonus. As an MXI distributor, you'll build two teams, a left team and a right team, and the people that you bring in will do the same. Now, let's take a look at this guy. He's got two people below him on his left. Assuming that he is responsible for recruiting at least one of those people, then he can become a royal by placing someone on his right. That's still part of your left team. That's why it's color-coded in green right there. And of course, everybody in your organization is going to need to build a left team and a right team. So it will fan out and it will start to become very big and very large and very powerful very fast. Now, each of the people on your two teams will need to be on auto ship every 4 weeks in order to stay qualified as distributors and to keep getting their bonuses. The minimum monthly auto ship is $110, and as you become an executive, it goes to $220. That's 2 cases every 4 weeks. Of course, some people will need more auto shipment than that because they just simply need the product. Then there will be distributors who will need to order more product because they're using it to promote their business with, to have parties with, to retail, and to simply have on hand for their business's growth. And every time that that happens, of course, those sales are credited to your organization also. As people bring other people into the business, as they sponsor people, and your business grows, every time an activation order is placed by a new distributor, that is also credited to your organization. Well, these numbers right here, this is just an example to show you how this works. Let's take a look at this person's business. On the right-hand side, this week, this individual has $1,540 of sales. And on the left side, he has $1,760 of sales. All right. Well, the infinity bonus is based on 10% of the lesser leg every week. So which is the lesser leg this week? It's the right leg this week. So it's $1,540. 10% of $1,540 is $154. That would be the infinity bonus of this person this week. All right. Now, the $1,540 that check was based on is subtracted from both sides. And on the right, it leaves 0. It zeroes it out. But on the left, there's extra money that wasn't used to balance out. All right? There's $220 of sales that weren't used to balance the check. What happens to that $220? Does it just go away? Does it zero out? No. What happens is it rolls forward. Okay? It simply is credited and banked on the left side of your organization, and if you ever need it to balance out on the right, you'll be able to draw from that $220. Well, why is that important? Let's make the numbers bigger so you can see why that's important. The maximum check that you can receive in any 1 week in any single business center, an infinity bonus, is $10,000. Okay? That's based on $100,000 on each side of your organization. $100,000 of sales in any given week on each side of your organization would pay you a $10,000 infinity bonus. All right? Well, let's say that you did more than that. Let's say that you exceeded the cap and you did $200,000 of sales on each side of your organization in a single week. What would happen to the extra $100,000? Is it just a waste? No. The company will pay you $10,000. They'll subtract the $100,000 that it was based on from both sides. That would leave you with an additional $100,000 that's simply credited to each side of your organization. Now, the beautiful thing about that is it keeps your check steady. Let's say that in the following week, nothing happens. I mean, it's very unlikely, but let's just say that nobody sold one thin dime of chocolate. You would still receive a check for $10,000 because you had $100,000 credited on each side of your organization. That's how the infinity bonus works.